In the previous video we talked about some common questions that you may be asked during an AWS interview. In this video, we'll go over a few more specific questions to help prepare for your next AWS interview. 1. What is the durability of S3? All S3 storage classes, S3 Standard, S3 IA, and S3 One Zone IA, share the same durability of 11 nines. 2. How does S3 store your objects? S3 storage is key-based. Keys can be a string and the value is the uploaded object. 3. How many S3 buckets can you create per AWS account, by default? By default, all AWS accounts can create up to 100 buckets. However, this limit can easily be raised by AWS if you request an upgrade. 4. Do Lambda functions run on servers? Code deployed via Lambda absolutely runs on servers, however, AWS abstracts the details away from user management. 5. What is AWS's system for sending out alerts and alarms based on specific events in an environment? SNS is the simple notification service and provides notifications, alerts and alarms when certain events occur in your AWS environment. 6. What type of services are associated with an AWS VPC? A VPC is a virtual private cloud. It is a virtual network dedicated to a single AWS account. 7. What type of services are associated with Route 53? Route 53 is the DNS service managed by AWS. It provides domain management and registration. 8. What is the default port for MySQL via RDS? MySQL is by default available on 3306. You can also remember that databases are typically only available on unreserved ports, above 1024. Ports below 1024 are reserved for privileged services. 9. What is the default consistency model for Dynamodb? Dynamodb uses eventually consistent reads by default, meaning a read might not immediately reflect the results of a very recent write. 10. How many times are messages delivered in SQS? SQS will guarantee that a message is delivered at least once, but that message may be redelivered. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me produce more quality content. If you have any other questions that weren't covered in the video, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them as soon as possible.